Alright folks, I just wanted to do a review of an item, a product I bought that I really like, especially in the ease of use. They were pretty good reviews on these, but I had never heard of them before, and I was wanting some small cameras that that I can put on my bus and let me know when people are behind me on the sides for when I want to switch lanes or when I do want to turn, and that way I can see how close I'm getting to the other vehicle with the bus swing, the rear end swing, when it swings around. Well, these are pretty good and really easy to set up. I was surprised. Anyhow, this is my view on my tablet, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna delete, not that, that's not what I wanted. This is it right here. That's the app right there, Wayne's View app. Okay, so I'm gonna go to that, and let's see, exit. I don't want that. Alright, I'm gonna delete all these cameras just to Alright, this is also pretty decent router here, but so I have my cameras connected to the router, to that router right there. This is my bus, and then I have all the router and the two cameras running off of an inverter right now. Mega overkill, because these three items together, the router and the two cameras, only take well, I'll show you. See that? 8.8 watts. Not very much. And they run off of they got these here transformers, so they run off of DC, but I would not recommend cutting the wire and hooking straight to 12 volt DC, because I did that and I burned one of mine up. I don't know what happened. Well, I don't know that I burned it up, but it burned up. Okay, so now we're at 9 watts. So it's back and forth, but it's definitely less than 50. So you can have a really small inverter run these, and I'll have a picture up on the screen right now of a inverter I found on Amazon. It's really small. I think it was 75 watts or 150 watts, whatever it was, but it gives you a lot of cushion there. So anyhow, right now I'm going to take you through hooking up a camera, both cameras. All right, so I'm going to start from fresh. Okay, here's my icon, Wayne's View. You see the plus up here? Click the plus. You can do it any way, but the two top ways, I believe it is, you actually take a picture of the symbol on the camera, and it installs it for you. But since mine are mounted and they're hard to do, all I'm going to do is do this here, do a land search. Comes up with two cameras, which is what I have. Then you got to put in the password, and I'm using just the standard password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. and then that, and it's online. Then I'm going to go in here. That's the right side camera. So I'm going to come in here and go alright. So my right side camera now.